This is how you can display your WP forms into a single line just like this. So you want to do from this one, from this form to this one. So let's go step by step. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, and here let's go on WP Forms. From here we have two contact forms. We have this one and this one. So just to let you know, we have this one inline and this one that is not on a single line. Now let's make this one to a single line just like this. So let's go to the dashboard and let's go to WP Forms, and from here let's choose the contact form that we want to display in a single line. Edit. Here let's go on settings. From here we are on general, and let's scroll down on advanced. From here we have to put this CSS class, inline-fields. So this class will bring us to this single line form. Now let's go back and hit save. Once our form is saved, let's go to our test page and simply let's refresh that. I have to publish first, and now I'm going here. So we have the form in a single line. As you can see, we can refresh here as well. We have both in a single line. So we have two forms, this one ID with this ID and this one without ID. Now let's bring this back to what it was. So let's go to WP Forms and let's remove inline fields and hit save. Let's go here and refresh. As you can see, we got back to the normal form. Let's view the live page as well. We are on the normal form. Thank you.